Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. The Election Commission announced today that legislators and parliamentarians who will vote to elect the country's next president cannot carry their personal pens into the voting room. They will instead be given a special marker to sign their ballot. Before entering the voting chamber, a polling staff will collect personal pens from the voters and hand over the special pen to mark their vote on the ballot paper. The serial numbered pens are filled with a violet ink approved by the Election Commission. When the member comes out of the voting chamber, the special pen will be taken back and the polling staff will return the personal pen. The Election Commission said using any other pen will invalidate the vote during counting under the Presidential and Vice Presidential Elections Rule 1974. In the Rajya Sabha polls for Haryana in June 2016, the votes of 12 legislators were declared invalid on the ground that they were inked using wrong pens. Thus, the Election Commission decided to use special pens for electors to mark their votes in the presidential and vice presidential elections. The Election Commission will make the lawmakers aware of the new rule by putting up posters. It has told lawmakers not to issue any whip or directive to party members to vote in favor of either of the two candidates, NDA's Ramnath Kovind or UPA's Meera Kumar. Since it's a secret ballot, voters should not disclose whom they have voted for. Green ballot papers are for members of parliament and pink ones are for members of Legislative Assembly. The value of an MLA's vote depends on the population of the state he or she represents, but the value of an MP's vote does not vary. So the colored papers will help returning officers count the votes based on the value. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.